that means training our troops properly and equipping them properly and putting them on the proper rotations. And it means treating them properly when they come home by giving them the benefits and the honor and the respect that they deserve. No more homeless veterans. No more begging for disability payments. No more waiting to get in the VA. We have to do right by those who serve this country. But it also means deploying our military wisely. I opposed this war in Iraq from the start. I opposed this war because it was an unwise war. And I will bring this war to a close, and I will bring our troops home in 2009, because it's time the Iraqis stood up and negotiated an agreement. We will not have permanent bases and a permanent occupation of Iraq. We will no longer spend $9 billion a day, because we need to spend $9 billion here in the United States of America, rebuilding roads and bridges and schools and hospitals. I've said we can take some of that money. I think every child in America should go to college. And I've said we're going to give a $4,000 tuition credit. Every student, every year. But students will have to give something back in return. They'll have to work in community service, in a veterans home, in a homeless shelter, join the Peace Corps, join the Foreign Service. We will invest in you. You will invest in America. Together we will move forward. They can be our diplomats around the world. With that money we spend in Iraq, we can put our young people to school. I will end this war in Iraq, but I don't want to just end the war in Iraq. I want to end the mindset that got us in the war. Now, at the beginning of this campaign, early on, I had a debate with Senator Clinton about the fact that I would meet not just with our friends, but with our enemies. And she said, no, you can't do that. That would be naive. That would be irresponsible. And I